Hello friends, in this video we will learn about how to make a dancing sprite in Scratch. So let's first of all watch a video of the dancing sprite. So we see here that Casey dances and enjoys the music, right? Now let's go to the app and see how we can make this particular app and how we can make a sprite dance. Okay, so let's first of all we go to the sprite window and we create a project. And now let's delete this cat. First, let's go ahead and add our background. I'll just go ahead and choose the spotlight backdrop. Then we can go ahead and choose a sprite. I'll just choose Casey who loves to dance. Okay, once I've chosen Casey, I'll place it where I want to place it on the screen. Then we can go ahead and we can select an event block. Event block is a necessary block whenever you code. It should be the first block and it triggers the code and it tells the computer that when they have to start running the code. So when the green flag is clicked, we want to start running the code and we want to make Casey dance. So we select the one green flag is click block. Then let's go ahead and we go to controls here and we drag a forever block, which is a loop, and it will make make Casey dance again and again and again and keep moving. Now after that, let's go to Casey here and let's go to costume here. We see that Casey has multiple costumes and we need to switch from one costume to another after waiting for some time so that it seems that Casey is dancing. So let's go back to the code here and we will drag a wait block here and make her wait for 0.5 seconds so that it's quick and she moves from one costume to another quickly. And then we can go into looks and select the next costume block here and let's see what happens. So Casey keeps changing her costumes. Now if I want to start from a particular costume, I'll just drag switch costume to block here and I'll select the A costume here. So I see that it starts from a particular costume and then Casey keeps changing the costume. So now we have everything, but we are missing a song. So let's go ahead here in the events block. And when green flag is clicked, we want to play a sound and we want to play it forever. So we drag the forever block and then we go into sounds and say play sound dance around until done. And let's play now. So So we choose play sound dance around until done and not start sound, because if we play start sound, let's see what happens. It keeps running in loop and it would start again and again. You see that it would be very weird. So you see it keeps starting from the very start and it does not even go a little ahead, and then again the loop starts and it again starts from the start. So it keeps happening and you cannot hear the complete song. So we would not choose this one. We will choose play sound until done. And let's play the game now. You can also select another sound from the existing sound library here. Just have to click it and it will happen. So dance funky is another sound. Let's try this sound here. And we can, from the drop down here, select dance funky and let's see. Okay, but I just really like dance around, so I'll just stick to dance around, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you understood how to make a dancing sprite in Scratch. And if you like the video, make sure you give it a fat thumbs up and you subscribe to the channel for more such videos. That's it. Thanks for watching.